Hello traders, Raymond Opoku here once again with another episode of the weekly Forex market analysis. I hope you had a good trading week last week. Last week was a superb one for me. For this week, we'll be looking at some very good setups in the USDCAD, the AUDCAD, and the gold. But before we come on to what we have for this week, let us see how we fared last week, starting with the Euro USD. For the Euro USD, I was looking at a break or a hold, and truly, it held at this very level. It has a lot to do going forward. Either remain within the confines of this very market structure or just be expectant on the breakouts. The GBP JPY rather took a bearish close below the support of the descending channel and remained bearish throughout the week. And then, like I said last week, the GBP USD was actually going to follow the trail of the GBP JPY by dint of positive correlation. So the GBP USD also had a bearish week as it also took a break below the support of the descending channel. So for the USD CAD, I have had it on my radar for close to 3 weeks now, and I was timing it for a breakout. The breakout occurred bullishly last week, but then the bulls couldn't hold on to their gains and they retraced some of it. For that matter, there's a second way to look at the USD CAD aside this very obvious descending channel. It is this trend line that is prompting the next analysis. As long as the USD CAD remains above this trend line, the bulls remain in control, but then a bearish trade would bring out its head if the USD CAD manages to go below this very uptrend line. So USD CAD is bullish while still above the trend line and bearish below the trend line. Be very cautious of false breaks as well. The AD card had a slightly bullish week throughout the whole of last week. For that matter, it has developed some sort of uptrend market structure that is guiding its movement for this moment. The AD card remains bullish while still within this very market structure. But then a trade idea would come if the AD card manages to go below the support of the market structure or break above the resistance of the market structure. However, in my opinion, I wouldn't touch the AD card while still within the confines of the market structure. So in the coming week, expect a break below the support or a break above the resistance to find a good trade. On to our final pair for the coming week is the gold on the watch list. Since mid-August, gold has moved nowhere. It is actually trading in this very converging range, which comes in the form of a triangle. Once gold still remains within the confines of this very triangle, there wouldn't be much to do. Gold needs a break above the resistance of the triangle for the bulls to step in, or a break below the support of the triangle for the bears to also step in as well. Be very cautious of false breaks here too. And I forgot, same caution on the AUD card. I wish you a very profitable trading week and see you next week as usual.